Tired of jumping through hoops to support your favorite creators? Let's make paying on Patreon with your debit card a breeze in just a few simple steps. First, head to patreon.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, find the creator you want to support and navigate to their Patreon page. Look for the Become a Member or similar button usually prominently displayed. Click it. Now, you'll see the different membership tiers offered by the creator. Browse through them and choose the tier that best suits your budget and desired perks. Click on the tier you want. You'll be taken to a payment page. Select the debit or credit card option. Make sure it's clearly selected. Enter your debit card number, expiration date, and CVV code carefully. Double-check for any typos to avoid payment errors. Finally, review your information one last time and click the Confirm or Become a Patron button. And that's it. You're now supporting your favorite creator using your debit card.